Hi, in this video, I will show you how easily draw a face with a helpful technique. In the first step, we divide the face into two equal parts, left and right. As I show you in the video, draw a line from the left temple to the right temple, exactly in the middle of the temples. This is the area of eyes placement. And at the curve of the jawbone, draw a line from the left jawbone to the right, which indicates the placement of the lips. In the space between the eye line and the lip line, exactly at the center on the vertical guideline, mark the placement of the nose. And about half a centimeter above the eye line, mark the placement of the eyebrows. Now consider the area from the central guideline to the temples and draw a symmetrical curve on both sides, which represents the upper eyelid. It doesn't matter if they are not exactly identical. This is completely natural in the real world. You can see in the video how to draw the lower eyelid, which is drawn in the same way for most face shapes and features. Define the third eyelid and the eyelash line as well. Draw the eyebrows in line with the eyes, starting from the inner corner of the eyes and shaping them in a curved arch. Draw a line from the inner corner of the eyes down to the nose placement we previously marked. Draw a circle at the intersection of the central guideline and the nose line. Now draw the nostrils on both sides of the line, just below the circle. And draw the nasal wings in parentheses-like shapes on both sides, making sure they don't extend beyond the guideline. Now draw a vertical line from the starting point of the pupils down to the lip line. Mark 2 points at an equal distance above and below the lip line. And connect the 2 points on either side with a curved line, linking them to the guideline you drew from the pupils. Now, simply draw the cupid's bow and the upper lip's peak to give it shape. Draw the middle line of the lower lip slightly above the line for the upper lip, so that the lower lip appears slightly bigger than the lower lip. Erase the guidelines and start shading of the face. For the eyebrows, first lightly shade the entire eyebrow area with a pencil. And then fade it with a soft brush. Now, with a sharp pencil, draw the eyebrow hairs in a flicking motion, following the natural direction of the eyebrow growth. Use a mechanical pencil to draw the fine hairs and soft strands of the eyebrows, giving them a more natural appearance. I did all those steps for the other eyebrow as well, but I didn't record it again to avoid making the video too long. Start shading the eyes by blending from the third eyelid upwards towards the eyebrows. Darken the upper lash line and the lower lash line to add more definition to the eyes. To shade the pupils, first darken the outline around them. Then shade the top part darker and gradually make the shading lighter as you move towards the bottom. Again, fade your shading with a soft brush. Use a blending stump to smooth out the lines and narrow areas. Use a sharp pencil to draw the eyelashes in a flicking motion, creating an irregular and uneven pattern for a more natural look. Then use a mechanical pencil to draw thinner lashes between the ones you've already created for added detail and realism. And all the steps I followed for the left eye, I've done the same for the right eye as well. An important point in drawing the nose is shading, as it gives the nose its form and structure. Shade beneath the nose and above the nostrils, then blend it towards the tip of the nose for a smooth transition. Fade your shading with a soft brush and continue blending towards the sides of the nose to define the nose bridge and enhance its shape. For shading the lips, start by shading the entire lip area with a uniform color. Fade with a soft brush. Use a pencil to draw the lines and wrinkles on the lips. Don't forget to shade beneath the lower lip and the jawline, as it will add depth and enhance the beauty of your drawing. Use a blending stump to soften the lines of the lip wrinkles. Use an eraser to highlight the light spots on the lips, creating a more defined and realistic appearance. And smooth them with blending stump. with a mechanical eraser, make some areas more shiny. The indentation above the lips enhances the shape of the lips, and to create it, use a blending stump. Finally, add the light reflection inside the eyes using a gel pen. And this is final result. If you like this video, please support me by liking and sharing it.